Stephen, in this scenario, Neil, Razor Ruddock, one of football's toughest men.
What do you mean one of?
The toughest man in football. Sorry, Mr. Razor.
Better.
Where was I? Oh, all right. In this scenario, he has challenged you to a speed cleaning challenge. It's unlikely, but it could happen.
It could happen because I'm very competitive. Don't say much, do you?
The mess of choice will be sludge. Gentlemen, on your marks, get set, clean. Ah, competitive sludge vacuuming.
That is obstructing me!
Look at the skill, the athleticism, the grace. Could this be the most beautiful game? No. I can't believe it. It's a draw. You're equals. Who'd have thought?